Hi guys, my name is Dixita. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Today I am going to show how to make squash cards. So come on, let's get started. Take 3 tinted papers. 2 of them shall be of same color and 1 different. Take one of them, fold it into half, score it to get the proper finishing. Now open it, rotate and repeat the same fold. Now turn the paper upside down and give a fold diagonally. Similarly, I have given folds to other two. Take one card and apply the glue on this part. Now take the different color folded and stick it upside down. Similarly, apply glue on this part and again stick it upside down. Our base is ready. Take 2 different color designed paper, 3 each. Draw a line diagonally on the back side and then cut it. Similarly, do it on other 5. Now stick these triangles to the opposite of each other as shown. Here you can use colorful prints as well. I am taking black and white to match it with my love theme. Here you can also paste an image with happy birthday or happy anniversary text written over it as per the occasion. Paste your memorable pictures over here. Tie it with the ribbon. Now the card is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment.